Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dropship in Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are going to read this Reddit. And here we are going to learn some information. So basically the first thing to know, dropshipping is allowed in Etsy. But the condition is that you would need like to have or to produce or have the design or like at least have some contribution on the product. And basically, for example, the print on demand is the most common form for the drop shipping on Etsy. And basically, it's still allowed. That means if you want to start like a drop shipping business on Etsy, the most probable things or the most common thing that you would do is drop print on demand. And for print on demand, you will have many services that you can use. One of these is Printful or Printify. So basically now, just go to the shop manager and from there you will be able to see like some apps or some connections to Printify and Printful. And basically those are some uh, inventory management or some print on demand services. As you can see, there is also the Gelato one, and you can also like have some other services, etc. So basically, to start your print on demand, you can, for example, choose either Printify or Printful. You can choose whatever you'd like, and basically, you can go to My Store. You will be needing to create an account here and start your store. And from there, you will need just to search for your catalogs or create your catalogs, and then the listing will be added automatically on Etsy, and you will be able to start like dropshipping using the print on demand on Etsy. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.